Good morning, people. Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another How To series. Today, I'm really excited about this topic. I use mind maps on daily basis, right? Let it be for my personal or professional life, even for my research. Okay. If you've seen a mind map, you would see something like what you see on my screen right at the moment. So people have different ideas, different way to put out the mind map. So if you see over here, there's a central idea, then you're looking into benefits. Usually it's a good tool for, you can use it for brainstorming purposes, you can use it for educational purposes, training, bring in an idea to discuss with your learners or, interact with your audience. Okay, so if you see over here, you can, this is a good one actually. There's a central topic, then you have a subtopic, and then you have related ideas. So this is some example of a mind map. Now, what I'm going to use today is Mindomo. Okay, that's a tool I use to create mind maps. Okay, Mindomo.com, and the pricing is given over here. Right, it's not that. It's not that pricey, I would say. Okay, and I've been using the educational version. Basic education version. This is the one I think I use as a single user, and then you can, I think it's free to sign up. It's free, but it only gives you 3 mind maps and so on. But when you have a paid version, you can see over here you have different layouts you can use and export different types of. You can export PDF. When you finish a mind map, you can export it in different formats. The one I use is JPEG and PDF. These are the ones I mainly use. Okay, so let's dive into it. This is one I created, but let's create a new one. Okay, for this video, let's create a blank mind map. Okay, right. Let's choose a topic. So setting, let's say, I'm just giving you exactly setting up an office. Okay, setting up an office. Okay, this is your mind map. Right, this is the central idea. So now, if I click on the top, you would see different layouts. Okay, the one I usually use is this default one, but for this video, I think I like this one actually. It looks like more of a neuron, like represent a nervous system. So this is my central idea. Okay. Now what I will do is I'll start clicking. So for setting up an office, okay, this is my central idea, main idea. Then I would have sub ideas and then subtopics and so on. So for setting up an office, I need computer. Okay. I would need table and chairs, then I would need a printer and scanner, then I would need projector, for example, projector, then I would need and why is it showing me? Okay, that's fine. Okay, projector. I thought there was a spelling mistake then. Okay, then you have, what else do you need? I'm just thinking, maybe your stationery. Okay, alright. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sub ideas here, yeah? Subtopics. Now computer, where do you want to buy the computer? Let's say buy. Okay, option buy. Okay, price range. Price range. Okay, and then make. Okay, right. So I have 3 options here now. Buy. Where do you want to buy? I want to buy online, or I want to go to a shop. So what I'm doing is I'm clicking, all right, on my say for example parent node or parent box, and then you click. So if I'm clicking on shop and I click anywhere, so the subtopic comes in. Okay, and then you can undo that. So buy, I'm clicking on buy, and then I click to shop, or I can go to a shop, or I can buy online. Okay, price range. How much do you want to spend? Say, imagine I want to spend, say for example, £1,000 to £2,000. Okay, make. What make do you want? I can have Apple, I can have IBM, I can have Sony. I'm just giving you these examples, right? Okay, I don't know if Sony do laptops anymore. I can't remember the last time I saw it. It's been ages. Anyway, right, so tables and chairs. Say, can you go to IKEA, for example? Or is there any other shop you want to buy online? Okay, stationery, again, where do you want to buy? Is Amazon is an option, online is an option, cheaper option, and so on. So now, have a look at this, right? So you have a central idea, then you have a sub-idea, and then you keep breaking it down, okay? So it looks like as if there's a main neuron, and then you have your, arteries and connected to sub-neurons and so on. So now, this is how you make a simple mind map, okay? What else can you do with a mind map? Let's see. You can add pictures, say for example. Now, I'm clicked on computer, all right? Let's click on computer, all right? So then you can add images, all right? Click on an image, insert a URL, or you can find it. Say, I'm just putting in computer. Let's see what happens. There is my internet connected? It should be. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's use. Okay. Okay, it's an URL. Insert your URL. I don't want that. Or you can drag and drop from your desktop. Attach it as well. Okay, these are all my the ones I've created already, so you can use that. And that's like an attachment. But I want to use the internet. Say I'll just put computer. Okay, that's a magnifying glass. You would use that. Right, to click on it and then type computer, and there you go. Okay, right now. Shop online price range. Okay, price range. So if you want to add something here, again, magnifying glass, money. Let's just give an example. Right, there you go. Okay, let's close that. You see? Okay, Apple. Click again, magnifying glass, Apple. Right, so there you go. I've put literally an apple there. I'm talking about Apple laptops or computers. Right, so this is where you can use mind maps to represent your data and your your information. Okay, and you can link as well. I mean, there's a lot of things you can do here. Like for example, imagine I want to link this information to that. So now here, let's say I'm saying buy. I'm gonna put this in here. Buy from the same shop. I'm just giving an example, right? So now click on these two, and then there you go. You can have an idea in the middle. Say for example, what I'm saying is these two entities I'm gonna buy from the same shop. You can color them as well. Okay, click on this inverted triangle, and then you have fonts. You have you can, the way you link it, you can change. You can put some smiley faces on it. There's a lot. You need to play with that tool. Okay, I can even change the the format of these boxes. You can choose from triangle to. I think we have. What else do we have? Yeah, you have square. This is the normal one, default one you use, and you have circles and so on. There's a lot there. Okay, so yeah, you need to dive in and you need to experiment on it, and you can use mind maps, as I said, for your interactive sessions, brainstorming sessions with your audience, with your learners. There's a lot you can do with mind maps. Okay, as I told you, I use it for my research. I use it for my LinkedIn, and I use it for my sessions. So hopefully you've enjoyed it, and hopefully, again, as I said, you will give it a try. Good luck. Thank you very much. Ma salama.